Hi, my name is Penny and I'm an educator at the Palo Alto Junior Museum and Zoo, and here in my backyard I keep bees, and last week they swarmed and it's a busy time for beekeepers right now, and so we got into the hive after the swarm and investigated what was going on.
If you ever see the bees like this, they are very calm, so don't worry. They don't want to sting you, as they are just looking for a new home.
We were unable to get the swarm out of the tree, so we set up this hive hoping the bees would find it and just move in. But this didn't happen in the end. They found a better home somewhere else.
When we got into the hive, we found queen cells like this one, and there was approximately 10 of them. So this hive was producing many queens. Queen cells are much bigger than regular cells, as the queen is a little bit bigger than the other bees. As you can see right here, we just spotted her. Check her out. As you can see here, the brood cells are much smaller than the queen cell.